Imagine this, you're at a party, trying to chat with everyone, but instead of mingling, you're shouting the same thing to everyone in the room. Sounds ridiculous, right? Well, that's what it's like when businesses blast the same email to all their customers. Let's explore a smarter way to do email marketing that will have your sales skyrocketing faster than a cat video goes viral. Hey there, fellow internet dwellers. Welcome to Online Money Magnet, where we turn boring business stuff into gold. If you're new here, remember to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell. Trust me, you want to take advantage of the marketing magic we cook up here. Now, let's talk about email automation and segmentation. I know, it sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry. But stick with me, because this stuff is the secret sauce to making your business the talk of the town, or at least the talk of your customer's inbox. First up, email automation. Imagine having a clone of yourself that never sleeps, never gets tired, and never forgets to send an email. That's basically what email automation is. It's like having a super efficient robot assistant who knows exactly when to send the perfect email to each of your customers. But here's the kicker, this robot assistant doesn't just send any old email. Oh no, it sends personalized messages that make your customers feel like you're reading their minds. Abandoned cart? Boom, here's a reminder email with a cheeky discount. New subscriber? Bam, welcome aboard with a series of onboarding emails that'll make them feel like VIPs. Now, let's sprinkle in some segmentation magic. Think of your email list like a big old bag of Skittles. Sure, they're all candy, but you've got different colors and different flavors. Segmentation is like sorting those Skittles into separate bowls. You've got your red bowl for the cherry lovers, your yellow bowl for the lemon heads, and so on. In email marketing terms, you might have a segment for your bargain hunters, another for your luxury shoppers, and maybe one for the folks who only buy during holidays. By sending targeted emails to each group, you're not just throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. You're serving up a gourmet meal that each group will devour. But wait, there's more. I've always wanted to say that. Let's talk about some tools that'll make this whole process easier than convincing a toddler to eat ice cream. First up, we've got SellTheTrend. This bad boy is like having a crystal ball for e-commerce. It helps you find hot products, spy on your competitors, in a legal, non-creepy way, and figure out what your customers want before they even know they want it. It's like being able to read minds but without the awkward side effects of actually knowing what people are thinking. Then there's GetResponse. This is your all-in-one marketing Swiss Army knife. It's got everything you need to create emails that'll make your customers' jaws drop. We're talking beautiful templates, easy-to-use editors, and automation features that'll make you feel like a marketing wizard. Now, let's put it all together. Here's your game plan for email domination. 1. Get to know your audience. Use SellTheTrend to uncover what makes your customers tick. Are they into cat memes? Obscure 80s references? Knowing this stuff is like having the cheat codes to your customers' hearts. 2. Segment like a boss. Divide your email list into groups that make sense. Maybe you've got a group of night owls who always open emails at 2 a.m., or a bunch of fashionistas who pounce on every new product. GetResponse makes this easy peasy lemon squeezy. 3. Craft messages that'll make your customers swoon. Use GetResponse to create emails that speak directly to each segment. For your bargain hunters, hit them with those sweet discounts. For your luxury lovers, showcase your premium products with all the bells and whistles. 4. Set up your robot army. Create automated workflows that'll nurture your leads like a helicopter parent. New subscriber? Welcome them with open arms and a series of emails that'll make them feel right at home. Abandoned cart? Give them a gentle nudge, or a not so gentle shove, back to checkout. 5. Keep an eye on the prize. Monitor your email performance like a hawk. Are your open rates higher than Snoop Dogg's on 420? Awesome. Are your click-through rates lower than your grandma's internet speed? Time to switch things up. Remember, folks, email marketing isn't about bombarding your customers with messages until they cry, "Uncle." It's about sending the right message to the right person at the right time. It's like being a marketing Cupid, shooting arrows of irresistible offers straight into your customers' hearts and wallets. So there you have it, folks. Email automation and segmentation, the dynamic duo that'll turn your marketing from made to marvelous. It's like having a superpower, but instead of flying or invisibility, you get the ability to make people actually want to open your emails. And let's be honest, in today's world, that's way more impressive than being able to leap tall buildings in a single bound. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to check out the links in the description below. We've got resources on SellTheTrend, GetResponse, and a bunch of other goodies that'll help you take your email marketing to the next level. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Who knows, you might just save someone from the horrors of untargeted email blasts. Until next time, keep those emails segmented, automated, and awesome. This is Online Money Magnet, signing off. May the percentage of recipients who open your emails be high, and may the number of recipients who unsubscribe from your emails be low.